this, so hindi ko po ina-expect na ako po ay mag-MC. So, may I ask everyone to please move forward para medyo marami po tayo dito. Sige na po. May ano daw dyan, may number sa ilalim, may winner. Kay President galing ang prize. Cash, kulay blue. Embrace daw, mas mahal po yun. Okay, so please, I'm not joking po. Please come forward. Medyo blanco po kasi tayo dito. So that later on, we can join performances of BU Tabaco and Buka. 10, 9, yung mga nasa likod po, wala yan regalo kay Santa. Alright?
10,000?
Yes po. CNA po sa ano. Okay, so again, Paskong Masaya, Merry BU Christmas Special Year 2, presented to you by BU Gas, Bucaf, and BUTC. Let us now start our program. We have our Mass earlier today. So at the first part of our program, we will first hear the words of welcome, of course, from the Dean of the Office of Student Affairs and Services, Dr. Babyboy Benjamin Nebres III. Sir?
Thank you very much, Miss Jazz. Actually, the host for tonight is sick because of the second booster. Okay. Ma'am Henny. Okay. So, Christmas is like candy. It slowly melts in your mouth, sweetening every taste bud, making you wish it could last forever. That's according to Rochelle Goodrich. A pleasant evening to each and everyone. Hello. Hi. We, the BU General Administration and Support Services, or BU GAS, together with the Bicol University College of Agriculture and Forestry, the BU CAP, and the Bicol University Tabaco Campus, the BUTC, are the in charge of tonight's Christmas Cheers celebration. Indeed, it is with great pride and honor to welcome you all to today's meaningful event at the university. To our ever-supportive SUC President 4, Dr. Noli Mascareñas, to our dear Vice Presidents, Deans and Directors, Heads of Offices, teaching and non-teaching personnel, students, friends, partners, and to all who are with us tonight, to a joyous and thankful evening to all. Today, tonight, we are celebrating many important events as we are in the commemorating the birth of our Savior, Jesus Christ. This week-long Christmas cheer will shower us with numerous happening as we await the arrival of Christmas Day. Spread love, not only love and happiness, but kindness.
Aming salamat, Sir Bibi. So let us share the love, sabi nga ni Sir. So, the next part of our program is, of course, our night will not be complete without a message from our ever-dynamic and very handsome President, Dr. Arnulfo M. Mascareñas. 1,000 lang po, sir.
Thank you very much, Miss Jazz. To the sponsors of tonight's activity, the GAS, the BUTC, and BUCAF, to our faculty members from these colleges, officials, and dear students, maray na banggisin lugabos. Daing pray, sige. Maray na. Okay. They say that Christmas is the most awaited season of the year. since my childhood, every time the Christmas season would come, we would always anticipate of so many things, happy things to come also. And I brought this experience even in my adult life. And even now that I'm your president of the university, I always anticipate something good that would come during Christmas. And today, my dear friends, I am doubly happy and inspired. Because first, we just finished the Picard RRDCC meeting. And we were able to, discuss all those proposals presented to the body. And after which, this afternoon, we had to proceed to Pepperland for the special board meeting, which to me is very critical because I had to present there, of course, the most awaited proposal by the rank and file, which is the granting of the CNA for the BU personnel, which the board has already approved. And that means to say that talagang mayroon tayong masayang pampasko ngayong taon. And not only that, my dear friends, the other proposals that I brought to the board this afternoon were all approved, like the local promotion of those faculty members who were not reclassed. There are 35 of them, and they were approved by the board. So I already asked Jen that if he could process the appointment of these faculty members para naman mas masaya ang kanilang Pasko. And if we could also have it, if we could have the appointment take effect December 16 on Jen, we could have their oath-taking ceremonies by next week. And of course, yung pinakaabangan ng mga non-teaching personnel, yung creation of additional items based on the NBC 589. It was also approved by the Board of Regents. A total of 111 non-teaching items for non-teaching personnel was approved by the Board of Regents, together with 71 items for teaching personnel. And in that, we included yung items for assistant professors to have some reserve items for, for pet med, for dental medicine, and other dirt subjects or disciplines in the university. Kaya I'm so happy talaga. And because of that, maski pagal-pagal na ako, I was not able to join the mass tonight, but I have to see to it that the voucher for your praise this week would be completed by signature, so that by this week, the accounting will already start processing the praise for BU personnel. So, seeing everybody in Bicol University happy, that makes my heart grow fonder. It really makes me happy. It's something which I could not explain. Maybe if you only become the president of this university, that is the time that you will be able to, to feel the happiness of your personnel. So friends, this will be my last time to be with you as your president, celebrating Christmas in the university. By next December, I'll be private Noli. Private Noli. Maybe just, watching what is happening in the university, and maybe waiting to be invited in this kind of celebrations. So with that, my dear friends, my dear personnel, my BB family, thank you very much for coming here. Thank you very much for celebrating Christmas with us. And we hope that we could still make you happier na, more happier pa. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for all the good news, and definitely you will always be invited and you will always be in our hearts. true happiness really comes from giving happiness to other people. So, thank you so much. Now, let us begin the showcase of talents from the members of Bukaf. Bukaf ba, sir? Woo! Paano to, sir? Bukaf, Gas, TC. Bukaf, TC, Gas. Then Bukaf again, TC, and Gas para walang uwian. Yes! So, finale si Gas. Wow! May magtatumbling ba si Ma'am Jen? May split? Okay, so, are the presenters from Bukaf ready? So may we call on here at the stage the first presenters from Bukaf. Of course, headed by our very beautiful and gorgeous Dean. Wow, Ma'am Rosepi. Alright, music please. Ay, mauli na ako, ma'am. Accreditation me. Okay, please move faster. May penalty po. May masak na padaan. Ready na po, sir, yung music niyo. Okay, so our little Santas are getting ready. All I want for Christmas is you. All I want for Christmas is praise.
Better not cry, better not fall, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming, Santa is coming to town. He's making a list, he's checking it twice, gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping, he knows when you're awake, he knows when you've been bad or good, so be good. For goodness sake, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa is coming to town. Santa is coming to town. Lights are not well low. Let us know,
let's be jolly. Deck the halls and bells of holly. Rocking around the Christmas tree. Have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way. Thank you guys. Have a rocking Christmas. Woo! Happy holidays. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Thank you so much, Bukaf. That's Christmas album version 1. Opo. May sasayaw po ba kayo? Oo, naubos na po yung buong album ng Christmas ng Bukaf. Anyways, tingnan natin kung sila ay ma-outperform. Yes! By the Bicol University Tabaco Campus headed by our equally gorgeous, tabakada sa bato na ko sa gate, and equally sexy Dean Mambuch Martin. Wow, may pa-entrance! BUTC! Come on! So, Bicol University Tabaco Campus will be performing Christmas album plus New Year version 2. Ma'am Jen, sa gas po, medley. 1,000 songs, 1,000 hits. Yes, 2,000 hits. Alright, so maghanda po tayo sa acrobatics later of the gas
Hello, hello,
group.
So, good evening nga pala sa lahat. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng pumunta.
Stand up pala. Aalis na po ako. Sige. Hindi po ako rin.
So, on sariling composition po, sana po sa lahat ng hindi makarelate, sana maka-appreciate. From Bicol University po, Tabaco. Good evening, sir.
Kung aking inipon ng mga luha na pumatak sa aking mga mata bukod sa malamang ako'y nalunod na. Pero minsan di ko naisip maging magulang kahit nakulang mga biyaya sa akin. Ito'y malugod na tatanggapin na kahit isang tuka, isang kahig. Mga damit ko na sinuot paulit-ulit kahit magkabahid na dumi, basta't alam ko sa sarili sa malinis na paraan ko to ginawa. Makalikom ng piso malalagay ko sa pitaka, naglang mukha na kung timawa. Ako ay nanlilimos na kasiyahan, nakakalito. 2 dekada may 5 taon na rin akong nabubuhay dito sa mundo. Pero papalad pa rin ako yung pininga, di pa dumating aking sundo. Maraming mga bagay pa dapat pasalang mata. Tingnan mo na mabilang ang aking mga kasalanan. Maraming mga bagay pa dapat pasalang mata. Di ko na mabilang ang aking mga kasalanan. Daming mga bagay na gusto kong itanong sa ating Panginoon. Ano ba ang iyong plano para sa akin? Malapit na akong wasakin ng kalungkutan na dinaranas ko ngayon. Ang daming mga bagay na gusto kong itanong sa ating Panginoon. Alam ko kayo ngayon. Plano para sa akin, malapit na akong wasakin ng kalungkutan na dinaranas kong.
Pasensya na kung medyo emotional.
Woo! Tayo magsaya ngayong Pasko!
Ito na yung naantay ng Bicol University Tabaco.
Angel on the track.
Maraming salamat, sir. Krishna Paul Bongani nga pala, para magkilala. Tayong lahat, magsaya sa Pasko. Tara na lahat, magsaya sa Pasko. Kahit na marami tayong na problema. Magsaya sa Pasko. Tara na lahat, magsaya sa Pasko. Ulitin natin. Tayong lahat, magsaya sa Pasko. Tara na lahat, magsaya sa Pasko. Tayong lahat, magsaya sa Pasko. Tara na lahat, magsaya sa Pasko. Tara na sumama, iwasan ang problema. Alam ko naman na makakaya. Ang mga pasan ay malagpasan. Basta tayo'y sama-sama. Iwasan ng mga away, tayo ay magbigayan. Sabay natin na salubungin, papalapit na kapaskuhan. Ano mang bagay sa atin ibigay ng Panginoon. Dapat lamang pasalamatan pagkat sa Kanya galing. Kung ano meron tayo ngayon, siya lang ang tanging dahilan. Huwag natin nakalimutan, pagmamahal ng Diyos huwag natin talikuran. Magsaya sa Pasko. Tara na lahat, magsaya sa Pasko. Tayong lahat, magsaya sa Pasko. Bicol University, Tabaco. Pero damay pala lahat, Bicol University pa tayo natin. Tayo na lahat, magsaya sa Pasko. Tayong lahat, magsaya sa Pasko. Tara na lahat, magsaya sa Pasko. Pasensya na kayo kung medyo mabilis. Hindi ko na aside dito na matipis. Alam ko naman kayo nasasabik. Christmas bonus na papalapit. Sana wag magagalit kung humingi mga batang makulit. Pero pwede rin ba mga batang isip? Pero malugod ko natatanggapin. Araw-araw mananalangin. Baka bukas ako ay palarin. Tamis na ang tagumpay sa aking pananasin. Ito'y inaalay ko sa Diyos. Isang simple na awitin. Ngayong Pasko, salamat po mga biyay ko sa amin. Magsaya sa Pasko. Tara na lahat, magsaya sa Pasko. Kahit na medyo kapos ang hininga, kaya pa Pasko. Tayo na lahat, magsaya sa Pasko. Tubig ba, tubig ba, tubig ba? Pwede ba ang pahingin ng tubig? Kasi medyo kinakapos. Magsaya sa Pasko. Tayo lahat, magsaya sa Pasko. Tara na lahat, magsaya sa Pasko. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po, Christian Paul Bongganay from BUTC. So tayong lahat daw ay magsaya pag Pasko. Oo, pahingi ng tubig. Marunong man ako. Okay. Ngayon, magpapatalo ba ang BUTC? I heard. My songbird. Abukaf pala. O, mali na tuloy ako. Tayong lahat magsaya sa Pasko. Tubig. Okay, so from Bukaf is another. Oh, si Sir! Hi, Sir Pax! Woo! Sir, rap din po ba to? Woo! Raming fans! Good luck, Sir! Rap po. Rap, Sir, rap.
Merry Christmas to all. Thank you, sir. And this out to all my Dapper Cats. Thank you. Wala ba tayo diyan? Thank you. All my life was a painful. One spring going wild. Tell you more where you've been. Changing bush now and then. Till the balance was right. Then you added some music. Every note was in play. And anybody could see all the changes in me by the look of my eyes. Life meant nothing to me until you came along. And you brought up the ghost. What a gentle surprise. Now I'm able to see all the things life can be, shining soft in your eyes. And you decorated my life, created the world where dreams are apart. And you decorated my life, revealing your love all over my heart. You decorated my life. Thank you. Happy Merry Christmas to all. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you.
More daw, more! You decorated my Christmas tree. Thank you po, Kuya Boy from Bukak. Talo si Kenny Rogers, walang sinabi ang fried chicken. Alright, so now we have for our next number another dance from the Bio Tobacco Campus. So ang ating kanina may mga Santa tayo, ngayon yata may mga magagandang elf na naka-skirt. Oh, di ba? At mayayamang necktie. Yes. Pangyayamanin ang mga bracelet. Yes. Sayaw ng mayayaman. Present BU Tobacco Campus. Ay, ano daw yan?
Jingle bell rock, jingle bells oh yeah. Jingle bell rock, jingle bells oh yeah.
Yay! Maraming salamat po from the mayayamaning elves from the Bio Tabaco Campus. Ayan, sila po yung sumayaw ng Christmas album Volume 2. Okay po. Napagod tayo sa sayaw nila, no? So now we will be having another beautiful mama. Song number from Paz Miranda from Buka. Ay, pang Celine Dion ito. Yeah. Morissette po. Moira. Bukav. So, narinig ko kasi, oo, ayaw daw po magpatalo ng BUTC. So we have the Carrie Underwood of Bukav. Let us now present Jean Besmonte, the Ariana Grande of BIO Navanco Campus.
Merry Christmas po. Santa, tell me if you'll be there. Don't make me fall in love again if he won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares. 'Cause I can give it all away if he won't be here next year. Feeling Christmas all around, then I'm trying to play it cool, but it's hard to fall in when I see him walk across the room. Let us know it's past now, but I won't get in the mood. I'm avoiding every mistletoe until I know it's true. That he thinks of, so next Christmas I'm not alone, boy. Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if he won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares. 'Cause I can give it all away if he won't be here next year. I've been down this road before, fell in love on Christmas Day, but I knew a day I woke up and he wasn't by my side. Now I need someone to hold, be my fire in the cold. But it's hard to tell if this is just a thing or if it's true. The love that he thinks of, so next Christmas I'm not alone. Why? Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if he won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares. 'Cause I can give it all away if he won't be here next year. Oh, I wanna have him beside me like on the 25th by the fireplace. But I don't want a little broken heart. This year I've got to be mine. If you won't be here, Santa, tell me. Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if he won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares. 'Cause I can give it all away if he won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if he won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares. 'Cause I can give it all away if he won't be here next year.
Wow! We have so many talented personnel in Bicol University. That really was a wonderful presentation from Ma'am Jean Besmonte of Tabaco Campus. Meron sanang panglaban yung Bukav, I heard. Dodoblehin daw nila yung power of two. Pero for later. So, we have first, a dance number. No dance, another song, but from the XX version. Lesson po ito ng science, sorry. Okay, from Sir Max of Bukav, another song number. Duduet kita, sir. Para masira yung kanta mo.
Good evening, Bicol University. Gagawin ko to dahil sa praise, Sir at CNA. snow. That's right. Listen, and the children listen to hear the sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. With every Christmas what I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops listen and the children listen to hear the sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. With every Christmas card I write, may your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. Merry Christmas, Bicol University. Thank you, sir. Dito lang ako nasira. Dreaming of a white Christmas. With every Christmas card I write, may your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. May score ba? Thank you very much.
Welcome to The Voice. Tanghalan ng ano po ba ito? Dance na po kayo? Oh, okay. So, finale number daw po from Bukav. Another song number po, ma'am? Alright. Chorus. Choral. Chorus. So, isa, dalawa ngayon ay choral. So may tenor na, bass,
Check.
alto at soprano. May CNA praise and bonus version. Okay, so dapat merong ano, may ano po kayo, dyan, nakaharap sa ano. Okay, so again, welcome, another song number, the finale number, and presentation from the Bicol University College of Arts and Forestry. Forest.
Bicol University Ginubatan.
Wala pa akong turog sa agriculture pala. Sorry na nga yan. Dahil na ako makalaog sa Bukav. Ilubong ako ni Ma'am Rose. Sige na po. Bukav. Para hindi magkabalik. Bicol University College of Agriculture and Fisheries. Ay, mali ba din? Arts and fashion. Okay, again, welcome, Bukaf.
Video game lovers.
You a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. A Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. There's snow in a one horse open sleigh. All the fields we go, laughing all the way. No sun up to rain, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleigh song tonight. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one horse open sleigh. I was sitting by my side. The horse was running like Miss Fortune's in his love. He ran into a drifting back and there he goes. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
kakantahin ng BUTC. Love song na po ba? Okay. Thank you again, Bukab, for that Christmas medley. And yes, we would like to wish you a Merry Christmas as well. But now we're back to BUTC, Bicol University, Tabaco, Tabaco College. Beyond Tabaco Campus, please come forward for your Christmas medley version volume 27. All right.
Bravo 7 ka pra mí.
Taka mo na si Ma'am Jen ang makanta. Nagsalabat na yan.
7 ka pra mí.
Wala. Asan po? Music. Okay. Ay, si Sir. Sir Francis. Magalona? Monte Alegre. Oh, parang ganun din. Sir, rap din po ba ito? Wrapping paper. Rubbing alcohol. Sabi ko sa inyo, inubos po kasi ng Bukab. So, naghahanap po si Sir Francis ng love song. Alright. Walk away, sir. Gusto nyo? Opo. My way. Okay. O baka si President. Naku, baka di na ako makauwi. We wish you a Merry Christmas po, Sir President. Yes. Oo, praise na po bukas. Praise. Magbayad na po kayo. Parang ayoko po maging director, sir. Pwede 1-2-15. Alright. Sir Francis, may love song ko po. ABCD. Okay. Kasi pag mga 30 seconds pa po, kabababa na po talaga si Ma'am Jen para po kumanta ng Gusto Ko Nang Bumitaw. Opo. Yes. Opo. Sir, gusto ko nang bumitaw, sir, pag wala pa kayong mapiling sa wala. Gas na po. O, sabi ko na sa inyo eh, o. Now presenting the finale number. Not yet, the pre-finale. Presentation of the Gas Group. Song number from Ma'am Jen Barameda, the director. HRM. Woo! Merry Christmas po, ma'am.
Merry Christmas! Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat! Ayan! Palakpak! Ayan! Dahil naubos na po ng Bukaf ang Christmas song, kinansel ko na po yung number ko tonight. But, we have a surprise number! The Songbird! The Nightingale of Biogas! Center for Gender and Development, Camille Jelay! A warm of applause! Palakpakan! Halika, Camille! Kala niyo ako, no? May pangbato po kami.
Hello po. Merry Christmas po, everyone. Thank you for supporting.
Christmas, there is just one thing I need. I don't care about the present, underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true.
Rogers, to Carrie Underwood, to Ariana Grande, to Mariah Carey. Sino na po ang next? Sino po? Sir Francis, are you ready? I heard you have a very beautiful voice. Yes. Pang Josh Groban po ba ito, sir? Pavarotti. Pag wala po, talagang si President yung kakanta. Kasi po bawal yung may gap. So kakanta po either si Ma'am Butch, si Sir Benji, or si Sir Nolly. Naka-ready na po sa cellphone ni President yung kakantahin niya. Opo. Okay, Sir Francis, if not, then maybe Gas can perform already. Not yet. Pang finale po talaga ang Gas. Kasi may dance, acting, splitting, tumbling, ano pa po? May pa-confetti, fireworks. Yes. Is Katy Perry on the house? Pwede po kumanta? Si Katy Perry. Kulang na po kasi may Mariah na. Celine Dion. Sino? Katy Perry, fireworks. Si Ma'am Reyna. Fireworks daw po yung kakantahin ni Ma'am Reyna. Or si Attorney Da, kakanta ng... Ay, alam ko to. Attorney Da, kumakanta ka. Narinig na kita pang rock and roll. Oo. Sampagita po, opo. Pang tipong ulan, luha. Yon. Oh, naghahanap na si Attorney Da ng kanyang kakantahin. Merry BU Christmas Special Year 2. Oh. Kaya kantahan natin si Press. Wala lahat ng tao dito. Si Ma'am Glenda daw kakanta. Yung Glenda. Yung ano po, pwede naman po yung thank you. Daming fans.
Christmas President. All I need to see, standing by my Christmas tree. Christmas won't be the same without you. Thank you. I remember when the time we used to spend, walking hand in hand until the sunset. Making Christmas Eve, the wish you came to me. Sitting had the time to see you go. Christmas won't be the same without you. Christmas won't be the same if you go. All I need to see, standing by my Christmas tree. Christmas won't be the same without you. It's been a long, long time. I need you by my side. Hold me tight and don't let go. Let Christmas won't be the same without you. Christmas won't be the same if you go. All I need to see, standing by my Christmas tree. Christmas won't be the same. Christmas won't be the same. Christmas won't be the same without you. Christmas won't be the same if you go. All I need to see, standing by my Christmas tree. Christmas won't be the same. Christmas won't be the same without you. Thank you po. Merry Christmas to all.
Maraming salamat po. Magre-request pa po sana ako ng isa pa. Jose Marichan. But then he was really looking at the president because his message was, yes, really, it's true. Christmas won't be the same without our President Dolly. So attend po tayo ng December 2022 para sa retro party natin with our very own President, Sir Nolly. So, paiyakin po natin siya. Okay, Christmas won't really be the same, sir. So, iyak na yan. Okay, now, to give us more fun, asan po ang finale natin? So, the finale number from the gas, let us call our presenters and members of the gas office. Ayan, kakanta daw muna si Ma'am Shannon. Alright, magandang gabi po uli sa inyong lahat. Palakpakan niyo po uli ako. Alright, so Ma'am, sure ka na finale na to, ha? Opo, Ma'am. Okay, so this is gonna be the finale number from gas. So, calling all gas personnel. Kahit hindi po, gas personnel from admin, Euro, OSAS, library services, hindi po, nandyan po sila, nakikita ko, admissions, and health services. Dito po kayo, dali. Legal office, Ma'am Reyna, Office of the President, Ma'am Janet, nag-check lang po ako ng attendance. And the President of Court! Sige, paki-arrange na lang po doon. Find your place, arrange your, according to the color of your shirt. Okay? Ready na ba? May dito? Sige po, ayan. Ayan po. Sir Nolly, yung mga pupunta sa stage, alam na. Dito pa kayo, mga younger generation. Dito po sa baba. Dito na kayo. Hindi na kayo kasya dyan. Dito po. Dito. Dito na kayo dito. Bakit? Dito po, pwede po dito sa baba na lang kasi may magka-cartwheel po dyan sa likod. Dito na po sa baba. Ma'am, dito na sa baba yung iba. Ayan, so, ready na po ba? This is going to be gas. Everyone sa stage. Listen, this is going to be our last and final rehearsal. So please, perfect nyo na please. Okay. So everyone, please stand. Tayo po kayong lahat. Tayo. Ready na ba kuya ang video? Okay. Let's do the Zumba. Kuya, music.
Later we'll have some pumpkin
is next year. Merry Christmas to all.